Hello friends, this is CRAFTOLOGER treasure box number 39. So the MRP is 1390, and what all things you are getting? You are getting this gold chalk paint. This is a metallic gold chalk paint, and this is sealed one, right? This is a sculpture paste, and this is steel blue sculpture paste. Okay, this is 150 grams, so the MRP is 310. Okay, and you are getting this color shade. This is pear green, so this is also sealed and it is 150 gram. All the details are mentioned over here. Please read it carefully when you get the stuff. And this is a cream shade. This is also sealed. इसका स्टिकर नहीं है. This is cream shade. This is beaten effect sculpture paste. This is also sealed. You can see. And the MRP of this box is, just give me. The MRP of this box is 1390, and after discount I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. I have this one boxes available with me. Thank you.